Hey, Scotty Sanders here. I was on the road extra early this morning, about 5:45, heading to West Texas to work with a client. And I was talking to my mom. She's one of the few people I can call before 6 o'clock in the morning, and she's always up and going. And we were just talking about her day yesterday, and she told me she had I've been telling her about eating sweet potatoes. And it's one of my favorite things to eat. In fact, Cindy and I both had a sweet potato for dinner last night. I just love it. And she told me she had hers, but she just said, I probably won't eat one again. It wasn't that great. And she told me that she had microwaved her sweet potato. And I said, well, that's one way to do it, Mom. But when Cindy fixes it, it's like so good because she does it a certain way, but she'll bake it for at least 2 hours, and it's just delicious. And she said, well, I don't know. I may not do it again. I just don't like to bake things. I'd rather just microwave it. Nothing wrong with that when it comes to food, I guess. But I think in life, a lot of times we want to microwave things when really to make something good, we need to bake it. It takes time. We have to be patient. It's an extra effort to do that. It costs more energy, you have to be patient and so forth. So think about your life, about the things that you want to microwave, but the truth is, things that are worth it, it's worth waiting for, right? It's worth the time and the effort to go into it in life. And so we live in a microwave society, but I think the more success is really about being patient, playing the long game, waiting for it to bake, and then it will be even better. So think about that for your own life today, about what are the things that you need to be more patient about. Take time to bake it and not microwave it. Well, listen, go get them this week. Take care. Bye.